Good day guys, and welcome to our channel. In this one I'm showing you how to use Chrome Memory Saver to speed up browsing Chrome. So Memory Saver pretty much works very simply. So what it does is when you have a certain tab open, that when it detects that you're not using it for a while, right, say I have YouTube open and then you open up say GitHub or something, right, right here, and this tab stays inactive. So in a bit of time, if you have the battery saver active, is going to kind of unload this particular tab from the memory, thus of course freeing up your overall memory usage and increasing performance. So just go ahead into settings here and then type in battery saver or just saver. There you go, memory saver, enable it and choose which preset you want. Of course, you know, the more aggressive you go, the less time you will of course have to spend on this particular tab before it gets closed. So this is how you do it, guys. Enjoy. If this helped, subscribe.